Hi, this is Karen Kubicko, and today we're going to talk about how you can use your entire body as a pendulum. You don't need to carry around a pendulum with you or wear it around your neck or whatever the case may be. You can just sort of calibrate yourself to be very connected to your higher self. So the first thing that I was taught is to, whether you're using a pendulum or not, you can connect to your higher self. So you're getting the highest and best information, connecting to source, connecting to universal knowledge and consciousness. Once you are feeling connected to that, then you can calibrate yourself for a yes by leaning forward and a no by leaning to the side or even backwards, depending on whatever's comfortable for you. And what I mean by calibrating is to sort of like, I am going to lean forward whenever I want to hear a yes, and I'm going to lean to the left or to the back whenever I would like to hear or know a no. So you can say things like, I have blue hair, and then get a no. Or say that I have blue eyes and get a yes. And you can make up whatever works for you just to calibrate yourself. And when you get very comfortable with that, then you can use it for anything, actually. Maybe even going to the grocery store and asking, do I need the flour or the sugar? Yes for the flour, no for the sugar. And that is in fact what you needed. But when you're talking to someone that's BSing you and you're not exactly sure, you can say in your mind, not out loud, while they're talking to you and you're like questioning, maybe they're BSing you and you're not sure, you can say, are they telling me the full truth? And you get a yes or you get a no. That way that you can tell right then and there while they're talking to you if you're getting fact or fiction. And so these are just tips and tools for you to use in your daily life. So if you'd like to check out more videos that have to do with all kinds of topics for deep inner healing for you, click the link at the end of the video. Lots of love to you.